The 2026 Ferrari F80 is here, and it represents the future of Italian performance in the most radical way possible. Ferrari has always been about combining beauty with blistering speed, but the F80 takes this idea and pushes it far beyond anything we've seen before. This is not just a new supercar. It's Ferrari's vision of what the next generation of hyper-performance will look like, blending cutting-edge aerodynamics, hybrid power, and extreme design into one breathtaking package. Welcome back to the Car Collective, where today we're diving into one of the most exciting supercars Ferrari has ever created. At first glance, the Ferrari F80 looks like it belongs in a science fiction movie. Its sleek, razor-sharp bodywork is sculpted for maximum downforce and minimal drag, with aggressive air channels, a low-slung stance, and futuristic LED lighting that makes it look like it's moving even when standing still. Ferrari has leaned heavily into active aerodynamics for the F80, meaning the car constantly adapts to driving conditions to ensure maximum grip on the track and efficiency on the road. The design isn't just for show, it's pure function, executed with Ferrari's signature style. Underneath that striking shell lies the true heart of the F80, a hybrid V8 powertrain designed to deliver both raw power and efficiency. Reports suggest it will generate upwards of 1,200 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Ferraris ever built. With electric motors assisting the engine, the F80 is expected to deliver lightning-fast acceleration, potentially sprinting from 0 to 60 mph in under 2.2 seconds. This car is built not just for speed in a straight line, but for dominance on the track, with precision handling and cutting-edge suspension technology to keep it planted at insane speeds. Inside, the F80 blends Ferrari's racing DNA with futuristic luxury. Expect a driver-focused cockpit with minimal distractions, lightweight materials like carbon fiber and Alcantara, and a digital interface that feels more like a fighter jet than a car. Every control is designed around the driver, ensuring the F80 isn't just about numbers on paper, but about delivering an unmatched driving experience. What makes the Ferrari F80 even more exciting is what it represents: Ferrari's commitment to the future. With hybrids and electrification becoming more common in performance cars, Ferrari has proven that embracing new technology doesn't mean sacrificing soul. The F80 still screams Ferrari with the drama, excitement, and passion we've come to expect from the brand, while setting the stage for the next era of supercars. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is not just another addition to Ferrari's lineup, it's a statement. It's the kind of car that redefines expectations and makes rivals rethink their strategies. The question now is, will this be remembered as the ultimate Ferrari of its generation? That's what we'll be watching closely in the years ahead. If you love cars that push the boundaries of speed, technology, and design, the F80 is one to watch. Make sure you subscribe to the Car Collective for more deep dives into the world's most exciting cars. And let us know in the comments. Do you think the Ferrari F80 is the future of supercars, or has Ferrari gone too far into the future with this design?